Angel, and welcome back to Angel's Life. D'Amelia London sent me a bag. Let's unbox it. It is so crazy that Angel's Life is a fashion page, and I have yet to unbox a bag. This is my first bag unboxing, y'all. Okay, hold on now. Fort Knox. Okay. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Bag. This is my first D'Amelia bag, so I'm so excited. Y'all. Oh my gosh. This is the Midi New York bag, and I got it in the brown mocha suede. Who not ready for fall? Who not ready for fall? Girl. Comes with a crossbody strap, and look at that, all this space. You can fit all your crap in this bag. Zip pocket right here. Who? Y'all finna be sick of me. All fall. Thank you to D'Amelia London for sending me this bag. I absolutely love it. You can shop it on my LTK. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angel, and welcome back to Angel's Life. Outfit of the day. We're headed to get a massage and run some errands. Let's get right into it. So first we have this red wool turtleneck, Amazon. The dress is Stein Goya. Now mind you, the dress is a midi dress. I took it to my tailor. I said, Mr. T, can you make it a midi? He said, yes ma'am, I can, okay? Boom! Bag, we have the Epi Leather Speedy 25 with my little chain, my little twilly, and I got a little bell on it so the bitches hear me coming, you understand? Boots, Sam Edelman. Fragrance, Creed, Queen of Silk. Also have my Ray-Ban yellow sunglasses. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Absolutely love this look, y'all. Yes, she is a vibe for show and an eat for the daytime. I will link everything. Love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angel. Welcome back to Angel's Life. Come with me to North Star Mall to go shopping at Akira. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I specifically came in store to show y'all that they have the corset in store. I have gotten so many DMs about the corset. They have it in store in brown in all of the sizes, as well as in the cream, in a 1X and a medium. Now, I didn't intend on shopping, but I saw a few pieces, so let's try them on. First, I tried on the brown corset in a size small, and she is beautiful. Now, I'm not going to get it because I do have the cream, but she's stunning. Next piece that I tried on was this sheer black diamante top. Y'all, I love this. I don't know, I love it. I also tried it on in the white, and the white is cute, but it was something about the black that was doing it for me. Next, my girl Evelyn wanted me to try on these jeans. They are a bestseller. They're in a size small. They're cute, but not for me. Then I tried on this like constructed corset with these camo pants. Cute, but not it. But I kept the camo pants on, tried it with the brown tassel corset, and kind of was feeling the vibe and thought it would be a little inspiration for y'all. Now, y'all, I had gotten dressed and was ready to leave, and then I saw an associate walking around with these jeans in the store. Love them. Had to get them. Y'all, that's all I got. Shop the corset in store and everything else online. Love y'all. Peace.